Keeping your partners engaged is the cornerstone of all successful partner programs. Leverage Kiflo features to nurture excited, motivated, and supported partners at each step of their journey. Start sharing news with your partners in multiple languages such as product updates and major wins to keep your program at the forefront of your partner's operations. Detect inactive partners quickly by using Kiflo's metrics and create custom workflows to reconnect with inactive partners and maintain healthy relationships fast. Easily share leads with your partners to help them get more revenue. Don't forget that strong partner relationships are always both ways. Strengthen your partner's trust by being transparent on your sales cycles and by sharing real-time updates on your sales pipelines. Don't forget, engaged partners equals successful programs.